In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch standardize fonts across a deck in PowerPoint. If your slides are using a mix of fonts or sizes, this walkthrough will help you bring everything in line quickly and cleanly. We'll start with the strongest foundation, the Slide Master. Go to the View tab and open Slide Master. At the very top of the left panel, select the main master slide. This is the parent that controls the default look for every layout underneath it. Set your title and body text to the font, size, and style you want across the deck. Choose fonts that are installed on all machines your presentation will run on to avoid unexpected substitutions. This approach ensures new and existing placeholders inherit your choices, keeping things consistent. Next, review each layout under that master. Click through them one by one and confirm the same fonts are applied to title and content placeholders. Some layouts may have been edited in the past and can override the master, so this quick audit is worth it. When you're satisfied, close Slide Master. Your changes now apply to the entire deck. If you still see stray fonts, use Replace Fonts for a fast sweep. Go to the Home tab, choose Replace, then Replace Fonts. Select the old font on the left and your target font on the right. PowerPoint will scan the deck and swap instances it finds, which is especially helpful for content not fully linked to the master, like text inside certain shapes or older slide elements. For brand-ready control, consider applying a theme font set. Head to the Design tab, open Fonts, and pick a built-in pairing or customize your own for headings and body text. This makes it easy to maintain a coherent pairing and switch styles later without manually updating slides. Finally, check for text boxes that don't follow the master. Pasted content and manually drawn text boxes sometimes ignore theme settings. Click those boxes and reapply your standard font from the font dropdown so they match the rest of the deck. It's a small cleanup step that makes a big difference. To wrap up, give your deck a quick scan. Flip through your slides to confirm titles and body text look unified and that any exceptions are fixed. By setting the Slide Master, verifying layouts, using Replace Fonts, applying a theme font set, and tidying independent text boxes, you'll standardize your entire presentation with confidence and speed.